Hello everybody!
Hello.
This is our next family vlog before we start our vacation vlogs for 2020, and we wanted to just kind of talk about what's different with these two trips. Well, Henry's napping and we got a chance to. So we're not packing like we normally do. We're packing for two trips.
Right.
Yeah. Because we're staying with family for both trips. We are staying on Disney property for the second trip in February, but for January we're staying with family, and then the second part of the February trip we're staying with family again. So instead of packing twice, we're packing once and leaving our stuff there. Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be nice. I don't think I've ever traveled. I mean, we'll still have like a few things, but I don't think I've ever traveled where you just don't.
Have a lot of luggage.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's going to be different for us. And then instead of packing up a pack and play and diapers and the stuff, the everyday stuff for Henry, we're going to do a Target order and pickup, and they're going to pick it up for us before we get down there. So that way we're not looking all that stuff with us too.
Right. I actually think it's cheaper too because
We'd have to check it all.
right, which would just be
Expensive.
crazy expensive.
Yeah. So we're hoping everything works out well. You'll also notice for the two trips, the way we're going into this, yeah, I got the finger in there. The way we're going into this is we have ideas of what we're going to do every day, but it's probably not going to work like that.
Yeah.
So we're just going to take our cues from him, and hopefully he has a good time. And
You can be bummed if he doesn't.
I will be bummed because we need to get him into this.
Yeah.
We need to get him into, well, one, Disney, but two, traveling.
Yeah.
That's something we really want to do as a family, not just to Disney, but we want to travel all over with him.
Yeah.
So really getting him used to planes and napping in the stroller and being on the go, which he already likes to do.
Yeah.
But in a different,
In the car.
yeah, this will be different. So we're going to do a video once all of our trip vlogs have posted, right after we get back from February. We're going to do a video that kind of talks about this is everything we did, and this is what we really liked, and this is what really did not work.
Mm-hmm.
Which hopefully everything works, but something's going to go wrong.
Yeah, I'm sure there will be.
We're traveling with a 3.5-month-old, and when we go in February, he'll be 4 months, so yeah. So today, we are going to do our Target order, so we're going to show you guys kind of what we're ordering and how that's working. And then I'm going to show you how I'm packing the luggage that we're taking, how I'm going to pack up the car seat and the stroller, and then how I'm packing the carry-on, because I'm not actually taking a diaper bag with me onto the plane. I'm just packing the diaper bag because it's relatively small. I'm taking my big backpack and packing as much as I can of Henry's stuff because that's stuff we just cannot lose.
Right.
And like the pumping equipment and all that, because we cannot lose any of it. So, yeah.
That'd be bad.
Another home vlog.
Yeah.
There he is, dreaming of Disney with his Mickey in his swing. And he's got to wake up to eat. So this peacefulness will stop soon. Luke is up from his nappy. Hey, bud. Hey. Here's our giant suitcase and carry-on. So I feel like I'm way overpacked, but I literally packed for probably a week and a half for everybody, and I still feel like I didn't pack enough. So I've got all of my Henry onesies and outfits in there, swimsuit, my stuff, Greg's stuff, pumping, books, shoes, a lot of stuff. And then we're ordering a bunch of stuff. And then in here, we started packing the carry-on / diaper bag. And we have some toys, clothes, and then all my pumping equipment and computers going in here. So stuff we absolutely cannot lose. But we tried to pack to keep to his routine as much as we could. We packed a pack of books so we could read before bed. He's not exhausted. Sheets for his pack and play that we're ordering down there. And yeah, Just wanted to make sure we had our bases covered. I probably packed Henry 20 onesie / outfit / everything. But you never know how many clothes he's going to go through in a day. Yeah, and then we got 2 of these gate check travel bag things. One for the car seat, one for the stroller. So I'm excited to see how it works out. Because I think it'll be really nice. Like, really, really nice to have these so, like, nothing gets dirty or hopefully not damaged on the plane. But we'll see. We got a red one and a blue one. One for the car seat, one for the stroller. So, see how that goes. And then for the carry-on, this came in some of the dresses I ordered. So we're just going to take this and make this like our changing station little bag for the plane. And it's going to have some diapers, wipes, and the changing pad. And that way we're pretty much always ready to go. And we're probably going to put some PJs in here in case we have a poop explosion. And some plastic bags for dirty clothes. So, I think we're doing pretty good. What do you think? Yeah!